Does cyber insurance replace cybersecurity?
Many believe that having cyber insurance means cybersecurity measures are no longer necessary. In reality, cyber insurance and cybersecurity serve different purposes. Insurance may help cover losses after an incident, but it doesn't prevent attacks or fix vulnerabilities. Strong cybersecurity practices are still essential for protecting sensitive data and daily operations. Insurance alone is not enough.
What cyber insurance really covers?
Cyber insurance generally provides financial coverage for certain costs after a cyber attack. These may include expenses related to data recovery, legal fees, customer notification, or business interruption. However, it does not stop threats like malware, ransomware, or phishing. Insurance is not a shield against cyber criminals. It is a safety net for after-the-fact recovery.
Security measures are still required.
Most insurers actually require businesses to maintain basic cybersecurity measures to qualify for coverage. This might include firewalls, antivirus software, regular data backups, and strong password policies. If these basics aren't in place, insurance claims could be denied. Failing to protect your systems means both greater risk and potentially no insurance payout.
Prevention costs less than recovery.
Investing in robust cybersecurity is usually more affordable than dealing with the aftermath of a breach. Even with insurance, recovering from a cyber attack can take time, disrupt your business, and damage your reputation. Proactive security practices help avoid these headaches and keep your business running smoothly.
Conclusion: a combined approach is best.
Cyber insurance and cybersecurity are most effective when used together. Insurance can help manage the financial impact of cyber incidents, while strong security measures help prevent attacks in the first place. Relying on insurance alone leaves your business vulnerable. Protection and preparation go hand in hand.